friends, welcome to the Amu Education. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this session, we are going to discuss our second question. A solid is in the form of right circular cylinder with hemisphere at one end. So this is hemisphere at one end. What you can say, this is hemisphere at one end and a cone at another end. So this is cone. So they are asking, this is the cylinder. So what they are asking here is, the radius of the common base is 8 centimeter. So what is the radius for everything? So this is radius, this is 8 centimeter. That will be radius. This is the radius for all the shapes for cone and hemisphere and all. And the heights of the cylindrical, so what you can say, and the heights of the cylindrical and conical portions are 10 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So height of the conical and what is this? So this is the height of cone. So what is that height here? So this is the, let's going to draw, this is the height of cylindrical and conical. Cylinder will be, so this is the height of cone. So what is that height is 6 centimeter. Then cylinder, so from this corner to this end, so from the cylinder, what you can say here it is. So cylinder height, so this is the height of cylinder. Let's going to take, so this is height, h will be equal to 10 centimeter. So this is the height of the cylinder and this is the cone height. So that is the height. Find the total surface area of the solid using pi is equals to 3.14. So they are telling that pi is equals to 3.14 using. So what is the total surface area? So find total surface area. What is the formula for this? Total surface area of the solid, total surface area will be equal to, what you can write it here as curved surface area of cone, that is curved surface area of cone plus total surface area or curved surface area of the cylinder, that is perimeter with the height. So curved surface area of cylinder, then plus what you can say, surface area of hemisphere. So this is the formula. So let's going to find out individually and add it finally. So first one, so let's going to find what is the first one, curved surface area of cone. So they know that, so this is the cone. Let's going to draw cone again. So this is the cone. So this is height we know and radius also we know. Radius will be equal to 8 centimeter. Then height will be equal to, what is that, 6 centimeter. Then we need to find the slant height. So what is the slant height? This is the slant height. So let's going to take, this is 90 degree, this one will be L. So what is the curved surface area of cone? So first one, curved surface area of cone will be equal to pi r L. So what is L here? Radius we know 8 centimeter and L we should know. So L will be slant height. From Pythagoras theorem, L square will be equal to r square plus h square remaining squared. So r is 8 square plus h is 6 square. So what you can say here is 8 square is 64 plus 36. That implies, what you can write it here is, so we can write 100. So L square will be equal to, L will be equal to square root of 100. That will be equal to 10 centimeter. So this is 10 centimeter. Let's going to substitute here. 3.14 into radius is 8 into L is equals to what? That is L will be equal to, what is that? 10. So 3.14 into 80. So 3.14 into 80, we will get it like 251.2 centimeter square. So we have found it that curved surface area of, what is that? Cone. Then let's going to find out what is the curved surface area of the cylinder. So curved surface area of cylinder is, so for the cylinder, let's going to find out curved surface area of cylinder. So cylinder means we need to think it about only perimeter, that is circumference of the circle. So circumference of the circle is 2 pi r into what height it is extent. So height will be h. So into h, 2 pi r h. So what is this here? So let's going to draw that different one. So let's going to take this cylinder. The height will be equal to 10 centimeter from center to center, from the top to bottom. So this is the height. So 10 centimeter. Then what is its radius? So radius will be equal to 8 centimeters. So r will be equal to 8 centimeter. 2 into 3.14 into R is 8 into H will be 10. So let's going to take these values as to 3 point, that is 8 to the 16, 16 10 the 160 into 3.14. So 160 into 3.14, what is that value here is 502.4 centimeter squares. So this is the value 502 centimeter square. Let's going to find out another value. So what is that? That will be surface area of hemisphere. So surface area of hemisphere will be hemisphere. Let's going to draw here. So what is the radius? So it's common to everyone. So all the shapes, that is 8 centimeter radius. Then what is that? Because surface area of hemisphere is sphere surface area of sphere by 2. So why? Because in sphere it will be, what is that surface area of sphere? 4 pi r square by 2. 2 ones are, then 2 twos are. Half of the, what is that? Half of the surface area of sphere. So 2 into 3.14 into r will be 8 square. So 2 into 3.14 into 8 square is what? 64. So 64 into 2. What is that? 128. 128 into 3.14. If you multiply it, what answer we will get it here is 401.92 centimeter square. So what is that? So we need to find the total surface area of the solid. So we need to add all these values. So total surface area of the solid is, what is that shape? Therefore, surface area, total surface area of the solid will be, what is that here is, solid is curved surface area of the cone. So cone area plus cylinder area, curved surface area plus hemisphere area. So what is that? Cone surface area. So cone will be equal to, what is that? The cone will be 251.2. So what is that? 251.2 plus cylinder is 502.4 plus hemisphere is 401.92. So if you add all that values to 502.4 plus 401 point, what is that? 92. So we will get it as 1155. So 1155.52 centimeters square. So what is that solid shape? The solid shape, as we know, so the shape will be, what is that shape? The shape is like this. The shape is like this, cylinder and hemisphere with the bottom. This is the shape for this solid. Area is, so area will be equal to 1155.52 centimeters squares. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and please try to share with your friends and family members.